The poor people. In a small fishing house by the sea, a woman named Anna sat by the lamp. She was fixing an old sail with her needle and thread. Outside, the wind was howling. The big waves crashed against the rocks, sending white foam into the air. It was dark and cold outside, but inside the little house, it was warm and cozy. The floor was clean and the fire still glowed in the stove. On a small bed with white curtains, 5 children slept soundly. Anna's husband had gone fishing early that morning, but now it was late at night and he had not come home. The clock struck 10, then 11. Still, no one came. Anna began to worry. She thought about her husband. He works so hard, she whispered. Yet we are still poor, but thank God, our children are healthy. Anna crossed herself and prayed, Dear God, please keep him safe. Then she stood up and put on her shawl. She took her lamp and stepped outside. The sea was wild, and the wind blew her scarf around her face. She looked toward the lighthouse. Its light still shone, but she could not see her husband's boat. Then she remembered her sick neighbor, Sarah. She had wanted to visit her that evening. Maybe I should check on her now, Anna thought. She knocked on Sarah's door. No one answered. The house was dark and quiet. Anna called, Sarah, are you there? Still, no sound. So she slowly pushed the door open. The room was cold and damp. Anna lifted her lamp high and saw Sarah lying on the bed, still and pale. Her face was calm and white like snow. Her hands hung down, as if she had tried to reach for something. Beside her, 2 little children were sleeping. Their small heads touched each other, and their feet were wrapped in an old scarf. Anna's heart beat fast. She gently lifted the 2 children, wrapped them in her shawl, and carried them home. She didn't know why she did it. Only that she must. She couldn't leave them alone. At home, Anna laid the children beside her own and sat quietly by the bed. What will my husband say? She thought. He will be angry. We have 5 children already. Her hands trembled. Suddenly, the door opened. Cold sea air rushed in. Her husband stood there, wet and tired.
Anna, I'm home,
he said.
Ah, it was a terrible night. The waves almost broke the boat.
Anna smiled weakly. Thank God you are safe, she said softly. Then she looked down, afraid to speak more.
The sea was wild,
he said.
The nets are torn, and I caught nothing. But I'm alive. That's enough.
They sat silently for a while. Then Anna whispered, Our neighbor Sarah, she's dead. Her husband looked up in shock. She had 2 small children, Anna said. They were alone with her body. He frowned and thought deeply.
That's terrible,
he said.
We can't leave them there. Go, bring them here.
Anna lowered her eyes. They're already here, she said quietly, and pulled the curtain aside. Her husband looked at the children sleeping together, his own and the new ones beside them. He sighed deeply and smiled.
Let them sleep,
he whispered.
God has sent them to us.